Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So the last one we did was for false eyelashes. There's a brand new hack, or hack that I've not seen anywhere before anyway, thanks to one of my brides who gave me a little tip. I've managed to get lashes on and I'm absolutely rubbish, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll post a link for that. But today we've been asked to do a tutorial on eyeliner, and I have a hooded eye. I've always had a hooded eye, so we are doing this little tutorial to show you how to do your eyeliner in a little bit of an easier way rather than whizzing it on super fast, because we're not all whiz kids at doing our eyeliner, and when you've got a hooded eye it's quite difficult to try and get them even and get it on. So here we go. So I have this pen liner, but I like the nib on it. Can I do that on camera? So it's got like a little pen thing on the end. So I like to use this one just to draw on and map out the line. So I start from about here, and you're going to go as close to your lash line as possible. So I do this almost like a dot to dot. And take it right down to the end of your lash line, to there. And then everyone, when they start doing eyeliner, starts to raise their eyebrows because we all want our eyes to look amazing. So try and relax your face, relax your eyes so that you can see where your eye is going to lie naturally when you're relaxed. And then you are going to follow where your lash line is on the bottom. You are just going to map out. That's made my eyes water. So you're going to map out really faintly from where you can see that. You're then going to join up. So you're going to start bringing this a little bit higher. You've got your guideline here. You are going to start to bring this up a little bit on the side and join it to your outer edge. So just keep bringing it a little bit higher each time, depending on what your eye shape's like. So if your eye shape naturally comes down a little bit more at the side, you're going to need to wing up and fill in a little bit more. And for those that are already quite almond shape eye already, you probably won't need to do so much. But if you take it right to the end of your lash line and then use your bottom lash line as your angle for where you're going to go up, it'll just help you get your line right. And then my favourite one to use over the top of this, I've managed to get it all over my hands. My favourite one to use over top of this is Illamasqua's Precision Ink in Abyss. It's got a nice little pen. It dries quite fast and it's not too wet. But today I am using MAC's Liquid Lash Liner, which is another one that's waterproof. But I like these purely because with you having a hooded eye, if it gets quite warm, you end up with it printing across the top and it drives you insane. So to seal this one on, I can't draw it on straight on with this one, I always make a mess of it. But if I put this over the top, it just seals it nicely over the top and then stops it printing off. The only thing with this one is it's quite wet. So, oh, bugger. That's all right, isn't it? Got it. There. So I only come about halfway over. I've just balls that up now. Oh. So you've got a nice little feline eye. If I relax my brow, it's still there. That's right, isn't it? Other side! So we're going kind of just over where your pupil is. So start by keeping it quite close to your lash line. Start by keeping it there. Then you're going to follow your line from your bottom lashes and follow that angle up. Remember to come back, relax your eye, make sure it's the same. So you're only doing yourself a small guideline and just mapping it out really, really delicate, and just get a little guide just so you know where you're going. And then build that up, build that up. There. Like that. It's like dot to dot. Just makes life so much easier, because when you've got to try and work out what shape, and if your eye's like different on one side than the other and you're trying to get the same angles, it's not that easy just to whiz it on like an Instagram YouTuber and swish it all on in one big line. I don't even think my eyes are big enough for that. Mine are so tiny. But I like doing this because I feel like it elongates your eye a little bit, makes them look a little bit bigger. And all I've used eyeshadow wise is just a bit of contour powder, just for like daytime look. And then Illamasqua mascara, which I absolutely love. But I can't use this in my kit because you haven't made a waterproof one yet. So there you go. That is my little eyeliner tutorial. Should only take you a couple of minutes, but it's trying to master it. But do it dot to dot, take it slowly and join it up. And there you go. So I'll put a link for doing the lashes afterwards, because you can put the lashes over the top of this and then that looks great too. And that is my little tutorial. So we have wing liner. Hope you like it. It should make it super easy. It's a simplified version of the Instagram like full-on wing liner that everyone's doing. Because if you're like me and you have a hooded eye, it isn't that easy to wear, and we have to be a little bit more delicate with your approach. So this should help. So drop your comments below and let me know if you try it out and how you get on, and if it is in fact easier. And then don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Bye. What is this? It's a Janet Jackson microphone. Ah! Stop posing it in the camera and do something. There we go. It's gone. It's gone.